Hello everyone and welcome to the 2020 edition of the Digit 01 Awards. And today in this video, we're talking about the Best Air Purifier Award. This year, the award for the Best Air Purifier was evaluated on the basis of multiple metrics. The first, of course, was its ability to bring down the overall AQI within the rooms of three different sizes, going from 120 square feet all the way up to 180 square feet. The second criteria was the amount of noise the air purifier makes while operating at its maximum speed. And then, of course, the third criteria being any other feature that may be present on the air purifier and how effectively it works. In the case of our winner, which is the Dyson Pure Humidify Plus Cool, we managed to get excellent numbers across all three metrics. Firstly, in terms of its capability to clean up the air within a room, we noticed that the first thing the Dyson achieves is that it completely eliminates the air bubble that most air purifiers tend to form around them. Using a third-party industrial-grade air quality monitor, we verified readings from three different parts of the room and noted that the Dyson's air purifying capabilities were consistent across the room, or measuring 120 square foot, 140 square foot, and even 180 square feet. What changes across the three room sizes is the amount of time the Dyson takes to bring down the AQI levels and PM2.5 levels within the safe limit as prescribed by the Indian standards. The second thing of note with the Dyson happens to be the fact that its maximum operating volume is actually quite low. The third criteria for the Dyson that came out on top was the fact that it's got a built-in humidifier. Now, winters can be a very dry time for us. So with the humidifier built in, we managed to record the Dyson's capabilities of adding moisture to the room and found it to be fairly accurate. By setting the air purifier to humidify the room up to 50%, our industrial grade air quality monitor double-checked the readings and did lead us to believe that the Dyson was reporting the correct numbers and was also capable of maintaining moisture in the air at a 50% or at 60% or even at 70% if needed. Beyond 70%, the readings were a little more wonky and a little more inconsistent, but during winters, who wants to stay in humidity levels that high anyway? So a combined effect of great air purifying capabilities, good humidifying ability, and of course low operating volume crowns the Dyson Pure Humidify Plus Cool the Digit 01 Award winner for the best air purifier this year. Now on to the runner-up, which was the Philips Air Purifier AC3059. I really wish companies would come out with simpler nomenclature because this is just getting ridiculous. But Philips revamped their air purifier lineup and completely changed the design this year. They went from a monoblock design to a more cylindrical approach, which actually is effective when pulling in air, but is also susceptible to the same air bubble effect that we've seen in air purifiers in the past. However, because now it has a 360-degree area from where it can pull in air, it does mean that effectively it has better air cleaning capabilities. Now the Philips and the Dyson were fairly neck to neck with respect to the speed at which they bring down the AQI levels, the speed with which they bring down the PM2.5 levels into the safe limits. However, the reason the Philips ends up as a runner-up and not the winner is because its operating volume is extremely high. When you are running this air purifier at max, it almost feels like a mini wind tunnel in your room. So overall, that's not very great, especially if you're trying to use it at night and live in an area which has high pollution levels, because then you'll have to run it at full speed, which would lead to unrestful sleep. So that makes the Philips AC3059 the runner-up. But interestingly, since it is a very effective device at cleaning the air around you, and it is priced very competitively, the Philips AC3059 also wins our Best Buy recommendation for this year's Digit 01 Awards. Hopefully you guys have found this video informative, and for other Digit 01 Award winners, stay tuned to our channel and make sure to subscribe to our page on YouTube and like us on Instagram. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to our notifications so that you don't miss any future updates from us. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one.